Welcome back to Math Simplified by HM, your go-to spot for mastering algebra. It's great to have you here for another deep dive. We have already mapped out polynomials and bridged the gap to quadratics. But today we are tackling the most essential technique, solving by factorization. Grab your notebooks, hit that subscribe button, and let's simplify together. Solving quadratic equations by factoring, splitting the middle term. Objective: master the four-step algorithm to uncover the hidden roots of any factorable quadratic equation. Roadmaps for solving the quadratic equation. Factoring the equation is easily factorable. Example: x square plus 9x plus 14 is equal to 0. Completing the square. A is equal to 1 and b is even. Example: x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Square root. There is no bx term. Example: x square minus 16 is equal to 0. Quadratic formula: the equation cannot be easily factorized or when coefficients are large. Out of these four, today we are going to see the factoring method. Every quadratic equation can be written in its standard form: x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now let us solve 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. The step 1, the AC target. Find two numbers that multiply to exactly a into c. Find two numbers that add to exactly b. Equation: 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. In this equation, comparing to x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. So a into c, 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and b is minus 5. We have to find two numbers such that their product is 6 and their sum is minus 5. And the magic numbers are here: minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3 gives 6 and minus 2 plus minus 3 gives minus 5. Now step 2, splitting the middle term. Replace the middle term bx with our magic numbers that we have found: minus 2 and minus 3. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. It can be written as 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Step 3, factor by grouping. Group into pairs and extract the greatest common factor GCF. We pair first two terms and last two terms in two groups. From first group, the greatest common factor is 2x. So taking this 2x out, we get 2x into bracket x minus 1. In second pair, minus 3x plus 3, greatest common factor is minus 3. Taking this minus 3 out, we get minus 3 into bracket x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now notice the matching binomials. Group them together. X minus 1 is again common in these two newly formed terms. Taking x minus 1 as common, we get 2x minus 3 in another bracket. So we get in bracket 2x minus 3 bracket complete into another bracket x minus 1 bracket complete is equal to 0. Fourth and last step, the zero product property. If a into b is equal to 0, then a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Here we have in bracket 2x minus 3 into another bracket x minus 1 is equal to 0. So first bracket 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, second bracket x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solving this, we get 2x is equal to 3. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 3 by 2. And Solving second equation, x minus 1 is equal to 0, it gives x is equal to 1. Now we recap all our steps in a single page. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Multiply 2 and 3, it gives us 6. Find the factors of 6 such that their sum is minus 5. We have found it as minus 2 and minus 3. Rewrite 2x square minus 5 plus 3 as 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then from first two term, take 2x common, you will get 2x into bracket x minus 1. From last two terms, take minus 3 common, you will get minus 3 into bracket x minus 1 and equal to 0. Then taking x minus 1 again common, we get in bracket 2x minus 3 bracket complete into another bracket x minus 1 bracket complete is equal to 0. As a into b is equal to 0 implies either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0, we have 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solving these two equations, we get x is equal to 3 by 2 or x is equal to 1. Hence, the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 are 3 by 2, comma 1. So, we have understood the factorizing process in detail. Keep pushing the boundaries of your understanding. Remember, consistent practice is the fastest route to mastery. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with a fellow learner. Keep growing. Enjoy a nice time.